taking the Startup India Stand Up India initiative a step further for women, the National Commission for Women marked International Women's Day on March 8th by organizing Shakti, a series of workshops aimed at women entrepreneurship. Shakti aims to discover the challenges that women entrepreneurs face in the traditional sectors and how these can be addressed through both participants and policy changes where needed. Here is what the women entrepreneurs had to say about this initiative by National Commission for Women.
I would tell women to first educate themselves, not to be afraid of asking for what their rights are. Today, every woman almost has a smartphone. The smartphone is your access to information. Learn to gather information because knowledge is power. It's a very old saying. And as we become more knowledgeable, we will also become more sure of ourselves. Our self-esteem will increase, and we will also get the strength and the talent to make our own decisions. Ultimately, that is what everybody wants, to have the freedom to make their own choices, whatever they may be. But it's always better, of course, to make an informed choice. So I would say educate yourselves.
NCW ने भी इसमें एक कदम और बढ़ा करके सारे ऐसे ग्रामीण स्तरों पर कहीं ना कहीं अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम के लिए किया है, और अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम के साथ साथ उन महिलाओं को, जैसे बहुत सारी चीज़ों की जानकारी आज भी बहनों को नहीं है कि जो भी परिस्थितियां हमारे सामने आती हैं या जो घटनाएं घटती हैं उन समय तत्काल हमें क्या करना चाहिए, अगर ये जानकारी हो जाए तो हमें लगता है हमारे पास भी वो केसेस कम आएंगे और वो भी खुद ही अपनी उन परेशानियों का तुरंत कहीं ना कहीं निराकरण निकाल लेती हैं। तो ऐसी बहनों के लिए एक NCW ने एक बहुत सफल प्रयास शुरू किया है, लगातार चलता है, लेकिन इस बार कुछ ज़्यादा विशेष तौर पर ये कार्यक्रम चलाए जा रहे हैं।
I always believe that women are 5-10 steps ahead of men. They are the ones who raise families, they are the ones who raise children, they are the ones who manage their homes as well as their profession. So they are the ones who can also help in transforming the society as well as stepping into addressing areas where need-based solutions are concerned. So I think they have a great startups where women can only specialize because they can have that sense of understanding.
Education is making a big difference these days. Earlier, women were, though they were working, but they were not educated. So with the education, they are coming into every fields. Even these days, army, air force, everywhere you see women.
I think it's a great initiative. We need more such initiatives and more awareness for women, because even though it's denied that discrimination doesn't exist, but coming from a rural background, I understand that there is discrimination. If we look at all aspects of India, not just focus on urban India, I think an initiative like this is needed.
It's very encouraging for women out here to, really know that there is someone who's supporting us by the end of the day. There's a study by, in fact, McKinsey, which says that women are usually judged based on their performance, whereas men are judged based on their potential. And I think that is like the mindset that we really want to change, and we want women to feel more empowered about the fact that they can achieve anything. So it's very important for a change in mindset, according to me, more than anything else. And just knowing that a committee like this exists for us to get support is wonderful.
It's a great platform. Everyone, ICICI person is coming. Mr. Gaurav Agarwal, Shraddha Sharma was here. This consultant, American consultant. It's really a great platform to meet everyone on different, and seeing everyone is focused on startup and women startup. So it was a great platform.
This is probably going to be a game changer the way I look at it, because whenever there is a government endorsed initiative, it actually gets the required attention from not just the media but also from the local press, which is actually very important in spreading the message that women are empowered to be able to do whatever they want. And National Commission for Women is known worldwide for actually supporting women's rights. So with them being able to support an initiative like this, which actually focuses on women, which focuses on women entrepreneurship, I feel it will go a long way in giving that message to people, and especially to women, to see that they will be able to do it if they choose and become entrepreneurs themselves.
While it's far easier for bigger businesses to raise funds, it is the smaller businesses and SMEs who face challenges in securing debt or equity capital. Aiming to work with this segment of businesses, Alok Mittal founded IndieFi in 2015.